Hello traders, a very quick one for you. My Renko Chart Trading Mega Bundle is out there. It's available to you right now. It's limited to only 50 units. It's not going to be available after the end of this month, November 2025. So once they've gone. And in this video, I just want to take you through what you actually get in that Mega Bundle and the absolutely amazing value that you will be receiving if you decide to purchase it. So let's take a look. So the bundle is available from my store, and I'll put links to that in the description below the video. But let's work our way quickly through what you get inside the bundle. Like I said, only 50 available. Once they've gone, they've gone. They won't be available past the end of this month either. And there's that massive value I was talking about. Would normally, if you added them all up, all the parts, it costs you £743.98. At the moment, you can get it for £299. That is also great value there. And it's going to give you all these parts. What's involved? What do you get? Well, first of all, you get the Renko block size calculator. Massively important, critical part of the Renko chart trading process, getting the right block sizes. I've done a semi-automated calculator for you that you can use very easily to work out those correct block sizes. Then we've got the Renko Chart Trading Revolution book, PDF version. If you want to learn all about Renko chart trading, where it came from, how to use the technical analysis tools to enhance strategy, give you an edge, learn about risk management, trade management, back testing, automation, it's all in there. Then we've got the Python for Trading e-learning course. It's for delivery in January 26, but you get special pre-order launch access price. It's got 3 levels for those who don't know anything about Python to get you up to scratch. Then we move into everything you need to know about trading with Python, and then we finish off with machine learning, and then Renko Bot Build e-learning course. I see this sort of like a Lego e-learning course, a click and collect, follow the instruction, build your own bot type course, similar to what I've been using here. All the tools, tricks, necessary tips for you to build your own bot, whether that's across cryptocurrency, forex, futures, options. It's all there for you to take away. And then on top of all of that, there's a free bonus, my January 2026 Renko Masterclass, coming up very soon. Like I said, normally about £100 that ticket, but for you, free on this package. So, like I said, summary. Total value, nearly £750. Yours today at £299. 50 bundles only. Once they've gone, they've gone. Who's this for? Well, it's for a plethora of different backgrounds in the world of trading. For those who want to just master Renko trading, build a system-based probability-driven edge, learn about automation without being a full-on coder, develop professional trading workflows and prepare for maybe prop trading challenges in 2026, futures trading automation. So if you're serious about stepping up in 2026, this is the complete bundle for you. And what will you achieve? Well, like I said, you're going to learn how to build and optimize Renko systems, select block sizes using volatility, backtest properly, avoid retail mistakes, create automated trading scripts, execute trades like a professional, build confidence, discipline, and edge. It's a very practical, skills applied building process. And like I said, they're selling these bundles. So when that November ticks over to December, they have gone. This won't be available at this price or this bundle ever again. So if you want to find out more about the individual parts, what you can get, you can go down on that page and click on them individually to learn about them. But if you want to buy it, then you just click on that button and you are away. So there you go, the Renko Chart Trading Mega Bundle. It's out there, it's waiting for you. Links in the description below for you to explore more and join the Renko Chart Trading Revolution for 2026.